Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. This Ram is featured in a red paint finish and is an SLT crew cab trim. It includes features such as a heavy-duty engine oil cooler, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a 40-20-40 split front bench seat, a black assist step, as well as a soft folding tonneau cover. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle. Below, we have all of the controls for our power heated mirrors, power windows, as well as our power locks. We have some various storage, as well as 2 cup holders in the door, and a speaker. Inside, and just to the left of the steering wheel, we have the controls for our lights. Down the side of our driver's seat, we have our 10-way power controls. You can also see the seat here, finished in our diesel gray and black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above the steering wheel, we can see that we have a digital information system in the middle. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free for our Bluetooth, as well as the controls for our digital information system. The right-hand side has a gear up or gear down, as well as our cruise settings. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system with our radio, Bluetooth media, as well as wireless phone and a compass. Just down to the left, we have our ignition, as well as all of our drive and precision shifting. Then we have our climate control, as well as front and rear defrosters. Below it, our traction control and our tow haul button, a 12-volt plug. We have a storage compartment that we can pull out. Then in our center console, we can see that we have storage across the bottom, 3 cup holders up top, more storage in the middle, as well as a USB, a auxiliary input, and another USB. Lifting up on our center seat, we can see that we have a bench seat in the middle that we can lift up and close. Underneath, we have access to more storage in the bottom of the seat. The passenger seat is also in our diesel gray and black cloth. Then above our rear view mirror, we have all of the controls for our third sliding window in the rear and lighting controls. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage and a speaker in the rest of the door panel. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of our driver's seat, our 2 vents below the center folding seat, as well as a storage compartment in our passenger seat. The seats in the second row are the same as the seats in the front, are diesel gray with a black trim. In the center, we have a folding console with 2 cup holders, as well as a power sliding third window. Below, we can see that we have 2 more cup holders, all-weather mats. Lifting up on the bottom of our seat, we also have under seat storage for some additional space if we need it. Now, walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have an alloy finish on our rims with a Dodge center cap in chrome. Moving out, we can see our black power heated outside mirrors, as well as black door handles, and across the bottom, a black and chrome assist step. On the back of the vehicle, we have a soft tonneau cover. Moving all the way to the back, we can see all of our SLT badging, as well as our Ram and 4x4 badging, all in chrome. At the bottom, we have our trailer hitch with our trailer package. On the left-hand side, we have our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Opening up into the back, we have tie-downs in both the front and the back of the bed, as well as plenty of storage, and as mentioned before, a tonneau cover on top to keep everything dry. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk-around of the 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.